Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about the last and final part of how we manufacture our subway tiles at our factory. So do watch this video till the end to know about how we make the subway tiles at our factory. Hello everyone, I am Yukti Bhalara and in this channel we make videos related to ceramic and porcelain tiles and ceramic industry. If you really like this video or if you are interested in such videos, then subscribe to our YouTube channel TIEIC. Ceramic tiles are different from the porcelain tiles. How are they different? So they are different from porcelain tiles because ceramic tiles needs double firing to make it the final product. Why does it need double firing? The first firing is needed after the pressing. I have already made a video on the pressing and the first firing. If you haven't watched the video, I am attaching the link to it. Watch this video. After the pressing, the tile goes to the first firing. First firing is needed to bake the tile so that the tile can hold the shape to make it a biscuit tile just like this. So then comes the second part, that is the tile goes to the glazing and printing process. I have already made a video about how we glaze and how we print our tiles. If you haven't watched the video, I am attaching the link to it. Do watch this video. So after the glazing and printing, again the second firing is done. The second firing is very much important to glassify the glaze that we have made to make the tiles scratch proof and waterproof. That is the reason why we do the second firing. To make this end product, we fire the second time to make this beautiful end product. The kiln, it is baked in a kiln and the firing is done in a very high temperature like between 1200 to 1300 degrees Celsius. It is like very warm temperature. So after the second firing, the main part comes, that is QC, the final QC. So all the error tiles or all the tiles that are closely examined, and if these tiles are not okay, then it goes to the rejection part, and then again the new batch comes out. The rejected tiles are taken out and the final batch is that. So sorting is done, the QC and sorting is done here. So after the QC, let's move to the packaging part, which is the final part. Once the QC is done, the tiles are moved to the packaging area wherein the packaging is done. What do we do different from the packaging? There are a lot of things that we do for the different packaging. The first thing is that the tile separators. People use foam sheets and bubble wraps. We do not use foam sheets and bubble wraps. The reason is we want to go for the sustainable thing. We use the recycled paper, 100% recycled paper and a recyclable paper as well. So that paper can be again recycled as well, which is actually a sustainable small move from our company. Then comes to the boxing area. Like we pack the tiles in the box. The boxes are as per the customer's requirement. Either it can be 3-ply box or it can be 5-ply box as well. So whatever is the customer's requirement, we pack the tiles accordingly. The boxes are also 100% recycled and recyclable. So that is a small step towards the sustainability that we can do from our end to make this earth leave the better place for the others as well. Then comes the other thing, like how we do the pallet packing. We do the pallet packing as well for the shipment, and we use the Euro pallets for the pallet packaging, which is the standard Euro pallets. Once the complete packaging is done and the pallet packaging is done and everything is done, the final QC and the whole thing, then the pallets are ready to move for the final shipment. So this is the whole our process of manufacturing. So this is how we make our tiles. This is how we do the process when the order comes, and this is how we work at our industry. If you have any doubts, if you have any question, do write it in our comment section. If you really like this video, do not forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you.